I created this entire video using AI. So how did I make it with MoniMaster Video? This tool allows me to create AI videos from images and text. Besides that, I also use its Extend Video feature to turn short clips into a full-length video. Even if you don't have suitable images, that's totally fine. MoniMaster Video can generate images directly from text, so you can start with just an idea. This AI video generator supports multiple powerful AI engines, including Google's Veo and Nano Banana, Sora, Vidu, Seedance, Kling AI, One AI, and more. Now, let me show you how to create an AI video like this using nothing but ideas. Yes, just text in your mind. You can skip this step and directly generate a video from text. But I recommend creating some concept images first. With a clear style and visual direction, the AI can produce much better results. Once you've generated an image you're satisfied with, simply click AI Image to Video. In the Image to Video panel, you can enter your prompt, adjust the settings, and choose your preferred AI model. You can even generate AI voice narration directly in the video. Now you have one finished AI video segment. At this point, you can either use Extend Video to continue from it, or create a new AI video. If the main theme of the next part stays the same, extending the video is a quick and convenient option. However, if the next part has a very different topic or direction, it's better to generate a new video instead. This gives you more flexibility to adjust the content without being affected by the previous video. In the final step, you can use your favorite video editing tool to save the clips you like and combine them together. And that's it. Your AI video is complete. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.